So I want to move a little fast because I don't want the milk to die or anything like that. So I'm just getting a spoon because that helps us with our cappuccino life, and a strainer for our simple syrup life. So we're just going to put that simple syrup right in to the espresso. And this is a cappuccino, so we really want to preserve the foam at the top of this steamed milk. So the way to do that is you take a spoon and you hold back the foam and you let the steamed milk pour until it's all poured out. And then you scoop the foam on top, like so. And you guys have so much foam. This is so great. Perfect. This looks so good. You can definitely tell by sight and sound when your milk is frothed nicely. Look at that. Look at what's left over. Just gonna, that texture. Coffee is as much about texture as it is about flavor. Personally, I think they're like the same. You might argue that the taste of coffee is more important than the texture, but I think for milk-based drinks, they're equal. And in case you're wondering what I mean by texture, I mean like when you have a really nicely done latte and you put that latte up to your mouth and you feel the initial hit of that foam on your lips, you're kind of like, yay, you know? Okay, and then last but not least, the garnish. So pretty. Okay, let's take pictures.